Imagine turning this tiny balcony into a fresh vegetable garden in just a few days. No farm, no big space, just a simple beginner method. This tiny seed can turn your balcony into a vegetable paradise. And today I'll show you the easiest method beginners can use. Same balcony, same space, but one simple trick changes everything. Let's turn this balcony into a vegetable garden. What if I told you fresh vegetables could grow right outside your window, even in a tiny balcony? You don't need land to grow food. With this simple beginner method, your balcony can become a mini farm. This small balcony looks empty, but today it will become a vegetable garden. Many people think you need a big farm to grow food, but that's not true. First, check how much space your balcony has. Even small pots or recycled containers work perfectly. Now prepare good quality soil for healthy plants.
Mix soil with compost to make the perfect growing mix.
Fill each pot with this nutrient-rich soil.
Let's start with one of the easiest plants, coriander.
Simply sprinkle the seeds over the soil surface. Cover the seeds lightly with soil. Water gently so the seeds stay in place. Place your pots where they can receive sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Tomatoes grow very well in balcony pots.
Chili plants are another great option for small spaces. Leafy vegetables like lettuce grow quickly. Water your plants regularly, but don't overwater. Always check if the soil feels slightly moist.
After a few days, the first sprouts appear.
With sunlight, water, and care, the plants grow fast.
Your empty balcony is now becoming a garden.
You can also use vertical space with hanging pots. Shelves help grow more plants in limited space. Soon, your balcony will attract helpful pollinators.
Coriander grows quickly and smells amazing.
Tomato plants start producing fruit. Fresh chilies add color and spice.
Trim extra leaves to keep plants healthy.
Feed plants with organic fertilizer.
Look at the transformation.
It's time to harvest your first vegetables. Fresh tomatoes straight from your balcony.
All grown right outside your home. Fresh food tastes better.
These vegetables are amazing.
Yummy.
And it's healthier for your family.
All of this started with a few small pots.
From empty space to a green vegetable garden.
Anyone can do this, even beginners.
Your balcony can grow food too. Start your balcony vegetable garden today and enjoy fresh food every day.